As a supervisor, you really need to keep your eyes and ears to the ground. You've got a team that you need to motivate and get home safely and be able to motivate those staff to get the outcomes that you require. My tenure at L&H has been 34 years. I started in a basic role of a store person and moved up through the ranks, team leader, supervisor, warehouse management, operations, project management, sales roles. There's so much training available within the group. So one of my managers once said to me, why do we put all this effort into training people? They just leave, and the worst thing is what if we don't train them and they stay? So there's a myriad of training opportunities, and there's always something available for you, whether it's in the role that you're doing now or if you want to go left of centre and try a new angle. And there's always more opportunities.